Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Jasmine Danielle. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Go ahead and subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell just so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you like today's content and you want to see more. That way I can know to keep doing these types of videos. So also, we have a guest right back there. That is my dog, Cannon. Cannon, say hi. So he's back there. Hopefully he's not chewing on his bone and making too much noise in the background. So anyways, today's video, I thought it would be really fun to do a sort of try on haul video. I've never done one of those on my channel before, so we're doing something a little bit different. Basically, I have been really looking into the sort of subscription boxes that come to your house monthly with clothes and accessories, and I decided to do Dia & Co. I see the ads all the time on Instagram, and it finally got me. So we're gonna see what all the hype is about. We're gonna see if it's any good. And yeah, so this is basically a first impressions because I've never ordered from them before. And yeah, the results are quite interesting, So yeah, so basically the way Dia & Co works is you go onto their website, they have you do this style quiz. It's a whole bunch of questions about the types of clothes you like to wear, what kinds of clothes you don't like to wear, what colors you like, what colors they should stay away from, prints, all types of things. So just so they can kind of get an idea of who you are and your personality. I believe you can also link your social media, like your Instagram, so that they can go on there and just take a look at what you typically wear. From that, they match you with a style expert or a stylist who will go and be the one that picks out your clothes each month. You pay $20, it's a $20 monthly subscription fee. You get the box. So this is what the box looks like when it shows up at your house. It's just a little cute small box, and it has like purple on the inside, which I thought was really cute. And once you get the box and you open it, it comes with the return bag. So anything that you don't like, you can return it back. It's free shipping. It already has the label on here for you, and you have 5 days to try on the clothes and then return it back. So you have to return it within 5 days. So when I first got the box, it had this little thing in it, which basically has your invoice, I guess you could say. It also has a little note from your stylist. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it also just has a little note from your stylist, which basically just explains all of the things that's in your box. And then, like I said, it has your sort of invoice, which breaks down the price of everything and all of that. So the way it works is if you like an item in your box and you want to keep it, then you get the $20 that you paid for the box as a credit towards that item. So for example, there's an item in the box that's $38. If I wanted to keep it, I would apply the $20 credit and I would only have to pay $18 for the item, and I would send everything else back. If you keep every single item in the box, then you get a 25% off discount plus the $20 credit. So that's pretty good. And that's if you decide to keep everything in the box. So yeah, that's basically how this works in a nutshell. So let's just jump into the try on haul. So the first item that I tried on is a top by Ryan White. That's the brand. It is the Carissa 3/4 sleeve neck pearl gathered tee in the shade Ivory. It is $55, and honestly, I mean, it's just an okay top. It's pretty basic. The color is nice. This is a color that I would probably typically wear. But other than that, I don't really feel like it's worth $55. Like, I would never pay $55 for this top. It's just very basic. The pearl detailing at the top, I'm not 100% crazy about. It's like on this like stretchy string. I don't know. I'm just not really that much of a fan of it. Overall, I don't hate the top. I just don't know if it's something that I would like pay $55 for, or in this instance $35 if it was an item I wanted to keep. Yeah, I just don't know about that. The next item is the Sharia clutch, and it's in this navy blue sort of faux snakeskin print. It retails for $38. I actually don't hate this clutch. Like, it's actually really, really cute. I love the color. I like the gold detailing, and it's actually and it actually has a lot of like space on the inside, which is quite nice. I like the gold chain, although I didn't fully unwrap it to see exactly how long the chain was. I did think that was a nice touch and a nice detail. It has the magnetic closure, which is also really nice, plus a zipper pocket to keep other things in. So overall, I don't hate this clutch, but I am also not someone who really carries clutch purses that often. Like, so I really don't know what purpose this would serve me. So I'm not gonna be keeping it, even though it would only be $18 if I did decide to keep it, but I just don't feel like it's something that I would probably actually use. So I'm going to be sending it back. So the next item that I tried on is the Nanette Lepore Merida Bell Sleeve Blouse. And it's this navy blue with sort of like different color flowers. There's some pink, purple, yellow in it. And I don't know what they were thinking. So honestly, the top is not terrible. However, this is just not my style at all. I don't like the bell sleeves. It's very retro, very like 70s-esque, and yeah, I'm just not a huge fan of it. It is a shorter cut, so also not a huge fan of that, but overall, I don't think it's a terrible shirt. I just think it's not my style at all. Like, I would not purchase that top to wear at all. So it will definitely be going back. So next up, we have the Sabrina Collective Sulu long sleeve keyhole neck A-line dress. It's in a royal blue with turquoise, a little bit of purple in it with the flowers, and again, this is just not it. This is not it, you guys. Like, this dress, it looks like something you would wear to like church on Sunday, or like Easter Sunday, or like a funeral maybe. I don't know. I even was trying to like, is this something I could wear to work? Like, is this something I would wear in the office? It's not. Like, it's just not my style. It's so, it just looks and feels very mature. Like, I feel like this is something a woman in her 50s would wear, not someone in their 30s. So I have absolutely no interest in keeping this particular dress. It's going back for sure. The very last item that I got in my box was the Jessica Simpson Naomi rolled ankle jean with pearl embellishment in a light wash. These retail, oh, I didn't tell you, the Sabrina Collective dress retailed for $69. The Nanette Lepore dress also was $69. So the Jessica Simpson jeans are also $69. And again, I'm just not, I don't know what they were thinking. Like, I'm not really a fan of this type of wash. And then also, you guys, I don't know if you can see them in the shots, but this rolled cuff, like, what is this? This is the pearl detailing. You guys, what? This big ass roll cuff. Now, you can unroll the cuff, but I mean, that defeats the purpose. And then, like, that totally defeats the purpose. And even then, it's like a boot cut style almost. And yeah, this looks like, honestly, this is a jean that my mom would wear, and my mom is 55, so that makes sense. Like, this is the type of jean I could see my mom wearing in the spring or in the summer to like a cookout, like, you know, looking cute, probably with the pearl top. That would actually be cute for my mom, but not for me. So yeah, it's gotta go. It's gotta go. So needless to say, overall, I am definitely underwhelmed with this first box. I honestly didn't expect them to like hit it out the park with the very first box. This is the first one. They don't really have a full understanding of what my style is. I will say that when you go on the website, they do give you like style inspiration for how you can wear each item, which is like thoughtful, I guess. Different things you can pair it with, accessories, etc. All of that, and then you can go and you can rate each item. You can tell them what you did and did not like about it and provide feedback so that next time they get it right. So yeah, I'm not giving up on D&Co yet. I will say that I do feel like in a sense it could be a little wasteful. Like for example, I'm not keeping anything from this box, so it's kind of like $20 out the door because I don't think you get to hold on to that credit and apply it towards another box. I think it's just kind of, that's it. So that's kind of unfortunate if you decide not to keep anything. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep the box for at least 3 months, give them 2 more chances to see how things go, and then if I just still don't like it, I'll probably cancel it after that. And then I think I may try another subscription box and see how that goes as well. So if you guys like this idea, if you guys like these types of videos, then let me know, because then maybe I'll just start this as a series. Each month we'll open these D&Co box and we'll see what happens. Also comment down below, let me know if you've ever ordered from D&Co, if you like it. Did they eventually get your style right? Like, let me know if you've had success with this particular subscription box, and also recommend some other ones that you think I should try out. So if you've been thinking about trying D&Co, I will have a link in my description box. Again, this video is not sponsored in any type of way, but if you hit the link in my description box, then I think you might get some sort of discount, and then I also get a credit. So hey, let's help each other, you know, help each other. They do service sizes 14 to 32. So yeah, if you're interested, then I definitely think you should hit the link and sign up and try it out. I mean, it's $20. You can't beat it. That's really it. I don't have anything else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And like I said at the beginning, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the notification bell. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.